Hi, Martin here. So I'm about to fly FPV again, and FPV is kind of fun. So it's kind of drizzling now. I hope it doesn't affect my vision and anything. So this is the thing I've been flying with, and it's going to be fun. So you guys just watch out. Man, I don't have fun. Okay, so now I'm going to wear my goggles and head into production. I like to do that when I'm like in front of me. So let me just take this turn and then put on the goggles. I hope it's not crowded already. Yeah, so I can't even see the field now. Okay. Okay, I can see where I'm going to now. Am I in the field now?
Yeah.
Man, I am so high.
You gotta
And
tone.
wow, I really went far. I just coming back in now.
Are you seeing me while you're up there?
Yeah, when I make a turn, I can see us. Like right now, I'm diving close to us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Actually, it's kind of fun, really. I feel like flying. I feel like I'm actually on a real plane, you know. And you know, it just happened naturally that I didn't need so much practice to get into it. Like, it's just so fun. And I can see like a lot of things that, man, really just just keep me updated. I don't want to fly for more than 3 minutes, you know, because I feel that's the endurance of my battery, my